everyone, welcome to my channel, Aging Smart with Nazila. Today we are going to be showing you how to make homemade masks. Very simple, very easy. If I could do it, you guys could do it. I hope you like it, so keep watching it and don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, take a 12x9 cloth and then go ahead and fold it over, and then you would need 2 quarter elastics, and then I like to use 4 clothespins. We take our first elastic, we put it 1 inch down from the top. Go ahead and clip with one, and then go ahead and clip the other side from 1 inch from the top. It'll be very easy when we're sewing, and go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so it should look something like this. Okay guys, now you would like to go ahead and sew both sides. So now we are going to sew the bottom and leave a small gap so you're able to flip the fabric inside out. Okay guys, now using a pen, go ahead and flip your fabric inside and out, just like that. And then we're going to grab a pen or pencil and go ahead and poke the sides out. This will give you a finished, clean looking mask. Okay guys, now that we have our fabric inside out, grab this corner where we used to turn it inside out. Go ahead and fold it just like this. Okay guys, go ahead and pull all the stuff inside to give you a nice little smooth edge. And we're going to bring it back to our sewing machine, and we're going to sew the sides. Okay, now what you want to do after sewing the edges, you want to fold 1 inch twice, and I would like to put a clip right over here, and we'll do the same on this side. Another clip over here looking like this, and we're going to go ahead and sew the sides. Okay guys, now that the sides are sewed, go ahead and grab your little tweezer and clean off all the extras to give you the perfect look. Just like that. Okay guys, the last step is to iron it. A lot of people don't do it, but I like to do it because it gives it a nice soft look, and the heat kills all the germs, so that's really good to do. And then when you open it, it should look something like this. Okay guys, this is the final look, and when you wear it, just make sure to open it up like this so it covers most of your mouth, and this sewing side should be in the top. Okay guys, so that was really quick and easy. Hope you liked it. Please, if you have any comments, go ahead and comment below, or any questions that you might have. I'm also going to be putting all the steps below that I did, so if you do have to go back, it's going to be there for you. Also, I want to say, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button in the top, because in this channel we are going to be sharing a lot of crafts and a lot of the fun things that we do with seniors to help your loved ones age.